teacher was Italian,
Yeah.
then she would do it that way, which was just egg, breadcrumbs, fry.
Okay, I want to know, what are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm preparing to cook arancini.
What?
You got your video on?
What is it?
Arancini. It's an Italian rice ball that you cook the rice, the bolognese sauce, mix it all together, and then make it into a ball. And then in the middle of that ball, you put a slice of mozzarella cheese, and then seal it off. Arancini is a short translation is little orange.
Little orange. And who are you showing how to make this?
Who am I showing? I'm showing Shanice.
Shanice!
Hello.
And I know you love to cook, right?
I do enjoy cooking. I'm very awkward on camera because I never know what to do.
Okay, that's okay. I will do this. Tell me, number one, you say you like to cook a lot of what type of food?
Anything I can get my hands on. I can recreate pretty much any recipe, any food that I try.
But most of the time what you cook is Thai food?
Yeah, mostly either Thai or Greek food for James because he loves them.
Okay, now your family is Thai?
Yes.
Half Thai?
So I am half Thai and half Sinhalese, which is Sri Lankan.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, girl. So I know you can really cook. Okay, now this right here is what kind of sauce your mother
That
makes
is
this
my
sauce?
bolognese sauce.
This is your mother's recipe?
My mother's recipe.
Would you say that I destroyed it?
She is 100 and she was born in 1920, so that makes her 104 years old.
All right.
This year.
105. Actually,
What?
1st of January, 105.
Your mother was born the 1st of
First of
January?
January.
Oh, really?
Yes.
All right.
105.
And what was Josephine?
Giuseppina.
Josephina.
No, not Josephina. Giuseppina. Giuseppina Deli Fiori.
Yeah, that sounds real good.
Well, that was her name.
Okay, all right.
She actually, when she was in Italy,
Uh-huh.
everything she signed was Giuseppina Deli Fiori. When she came to Australia, she had to learn to sign Giuseppina Goffredo.
Because she never used her.
Because she never used, in Italy, they don't use their husband's name.
Oh, they
They
don't?
take their husband's name.
They don't?
They keep their own name.
Ah.
So it's what the way they say it is Giuseppina Deli Fiori in Goffredo.
Okay. And I'm here. Yes. It's been a full day. Yes, it has been. Today is January the 2nd, 2025.
And it's 1:02 p.m. and this started around...
You said 1:02 p.m.?
Yeah, 1:02 p.m. and this started around 11?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, about 11 o'clock this morning.
So he started making this at 11. Now what is that, the cheese?
This is mozzarella.
Do you know what you're doing?
I have no idea. I only do this on weekends.
Weekends? You really get excited when you're cooking, don't you?
I enjoy cooking.
And guess what?
You know what?
I enjoy eating
You
healthy
know-
food.
Do you know where I go when I'm cooking?
Where do you go?
In my own world.
Do you really?
And that's great. And that's great.
You go in your own world when you're cooking.
Yep.
All right. What are you doing?
I am spreading out the rice on the tea towels to dry it out.
The what?
The rice on the tea towels. to
Oh, you
dry
call
it
them
out.
tea towels. Okay.
Dishcloths.
Yeah, dish rags, dish towels.
Dish rags. Dish rags doesn't sound too hygienic. Tea towels does.
Nice, prim, and proper.
And then what we do is we spread it out. Spread it out like that,
Okay.
so that it'll all dry. Do the same over here.
And what is it called again?
What is what called? This is rice.
But what are you
And
making?
what am I making?
Yes.
Arancini.
Arancini.
Yes.
Arancini.
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 Arancini. Damn Americans. Arancini.
Yeah. So this is the finished product. This is what it's going to look like when it's finished or ready to go in the oven to bake. When I say the man likes to cook, he loves to cook. And I keep telling him, stop cooking all this stuff because I done gained all this weight. And he says to me, you don't have to eat it. Yeah, right. I mean, you're just so impatient, won't even let me see what you're doing. What are you doing?
What am I doing?
Yeah.
I'm putting sauce in with the rice because we're going to roll some more balls. Actually, we're going to roll some more arancinis.
So what is that sauce?
Sauce, it's called sauce.
Your mama's recipe?
My mama's recipe.
Okay, what goes in your mama's recipe?
Oh no, we're not starting from scratch.
Oh, you don't tell me what's in there? All right, no problem.
Mince.
Never mind.
What I call mince. Onions, garlic, wine, passata, which is tomato. No, I can't call it tomato sauce. It's passata. Don't go using tomato sauce or ketchup. It doesn't work. It's an Italian thing called passata, which is mashed up tomatoes. Puree. That'll do. That's it. Pureed tomatoes. Hey Maddie, I need you to put some breadcrumbs in.
Yeah, tell me. There you go.
What are you doing now?
Mr. High Rise, can you bring it down a bit?
No. Because when I'm up, it's getting an even distribution.
Is it? I suppose I'm in now because it's not even.
Okay, go ahead. What did you say now?
I put some breadcrumbs in to thicken up the mix so it'll hold together better. And that's basically why.
Okay. Okay, now tell me what you're doing here. What are you doing?
We're making balls. We're turning them into arancini. You see this? Can you see it? Now what I do is put a hole in it, like that. I get a piece of mozzarella cheese and I shove it in there. And then I continue forming the ball again. So inside there is cheese. And when you fry it, the cheese melts. And when you bite it, it oozes into your mouth.
And so that is it.
That's it.
And these are the balls again over here.
That's
And these are the balls over here. What are you doing now?
Well, we've got to coat the arancini in breadcrumbs. So what we do is we have flour, plain flour. We roll them in plain flour, and then we put them in egg, like egg, this, and then from there they go into the breadcrumbs.
And these are the balls you gotta cook.
That's the balls we've got to cook.
And the other one's over there. Okay.
And then when they go in the breadcrumbs,
That's a lot of balls. So can you freeze them or you have to eat them all at one time?
you can freeze them,
You can?
but you've got to consider the people that are here right now.
Yes.
And I would say that James will take them home,
Okay.
What am I doing?
and that's fine. He said that's a lot of balls. You'll be able to eat them.
Is it okay if you're on video? Okay, no problem. You put milk in that?
Right now, this is how you make it.
I put milk in the eggs.
Looks like you've done that one.
Now what is that?
This is gluten-free flour. And now,
What's the process here?
I mean, if you've got somebody with the water and you've got the dry, it makes life a lot easier.
Yeah, rather than going wet, dry, wet, dry.
Wet,
Yeah.
Okay, so
into the double sauce.
so tell me what you do. What did you just do? Let me see how you did it.
So we went whole into egg. Yeah, I got 2 hands. I got 2 hands.
Yeah, I
So,
know. It's easy.
I taste it.
All right, very good. And then what do you do, sir?
And then I fry.
Let's roll.
Yeah.
You already fried that one?
No, it's not cooked yet. It's not hot enough.
Well, you make something.
Bubbling, but
Just leave that
it's
one
not
settle,
sizzling.
hold it.
No. It's taken too
Slow down,
long.
Jay. Slow down, big boy. You just press the button.
What button is it?
So now you have the right
Now we've
consistency.
got the right temperature, as you can see. The oil is boiling when you put one in, and that means they're cooking.
You only put the rice or put the section?
That has been in there too long. See this one? That's what they look like. Only this is a bit dark.
And this is what your mother used to make? Your mother used to make this?
Well, my mother and my sisters, probably more than my mother.
Being recorded while I eat.
Oh, you don't want me to record you when you eat? No problem. What did they say? They
Hot? The cheese
Is it
melt?
good?
You haven't hit the cheese yet. Is it hot in the middle?
Nah, cheers.
Hasn't.